Could you tell us how long do you plan to charge the ADC? How long is it?
This is the part of the bidding document. Part of the bidding document when the World Bank called for bidding, it is from the day January itself you have to make $25 per day. It is a law, continues until the project completion is. It is there.
The whole
And
25 years.
I don't know exactly this one. I have to ask my commercial team the bidding document. The bidding document, how many is there? I will tell that. It is a part of the World Bank what called the bidding. January 1st, you have to, January 1st, 2012, you have to collect. But how many years, I don't know.
Now with the
Exactly,
court,
yeah.
okay. Now with the court ruling, how do you plan to implement it?
Court ruling, I don't know court ruling exactly. They're talking about the process. It is part of the government. They have to honor my agreement. I cannot say anything this way. Based on that, I put in my revenues. What the model is, on $25, what they're coming that, I have to invest, I have to build such a beautiful airport this one. I have to invest $400 million. Based on that, I have to give a revenue. Revenue on the fuel, whatever the revenue is sharing. Every year, whatever my revenue, fuel I sell on that revenue sharing, duty-free shop on that revenue sharing, and food and beverages, landing parkages, everything, every year I will give a revenue sharing. Based on that, for last 35 years, they make the calculation, make a NPV, who is quoted more, they will give that. In that whole calculation, we have to pay 70 million upfront fees, and every year I have given a F&B, fuel and beverages, revenue sharing, and duty-free revenue sharing, now aero charges, landing parking charges and revenue sharing, and the fuel revenue sharing we given. The revenue sharing, all that we given the revenue sharing. It is including the $25 revenue sharing fees. And today you see the president, this one is there. He has given a very assurance. Whatever agreements we sign, we honor that agreement, not 100%, 200%. We respect, we believe in the government, definitely will do it. Today, for Maldives, this airport is very important. The whole Maldives is depending on the tourism. And unless airport is not there, the tourism is very difficult this one. It has happened now. The airports is the only driving the economy of this one. It is realized by every country after Singapore, Dubai, all this one. So Delhi is the Indian government also realized now Delhi airport, they made it this, Hyderabad airport, Bombay, Bangalore. After the airport is modernized, built, the whole the change of the image of the country, the front face of the country and the economy also changed. It is a lot of multiple of the economy development will be there and employment will be there. I think we are very, very confident the government will honor our agreements, and also President today has given an assurance that 200% will honor that. It is only, I think, the opposition is, there is a process. There is a question of the process, this one. I think the process, they will correct that. I don't know which process, this one is the legal process the government of Maldives will take. I'm very confident that the government of Maldives will take care of that.
What is your reaction to the concern in Maldives about you managing the airport?
There is not much concern today. Any airport, not only Maldives, any airports, we have 3 brownfield airports: Istanbul, Maldives, and Delhi, and here. Any airports, 2 things will come. One is concessioners. Those who are having all the years, they're controlling the airport, food and beverages, duty-free shops. They have they're having their shops so many years. When the new airport owner has come, they want to same terms, same is not happening, they will feel unhappy. It's not only in Maldives, it has happened in Istanbul, it has happened in Delhi also. They filed court cases, like MVK, what they did, they went to the court, Supreme Court, this one. Today, Supreme Court is given out to vacate 48 hours. That is one challenge. Another one is employees, brownfield airport employees. We are very fortunate that we got a very good employees. Today you see in this airport, everything our engineering team, or Maldives, they weigh the commitment. 10 days, night and day, they put the commitment, this one is there. We got such a commitment is there. This is we have not seen in India, this one. Really, I appreciate, I salute my Maldivians engineering team, the way they worked at that night and day. And it is a very good, this one is there. Only we are a leader, we are challenging all the energy into right direction, putting a right strategy, this one. Any business will have challenges, it's not a big business. Maldives, what I like Maldives is very highly committed, very unassuming, they want to learn the new things. Because we send the team to Delhi and Kuala Lumpur, everybody is learning and implementing. Yesterday night I came 12 o'clock, all the people are working night and day. We have not taken any outside, we are not giving the work. The way the terminal, we have seen the terminal, everything our airport team, and we are happy with this. I don't have much challenge except this one, but President is supported and I am very hopeful that the government will address this issue.
Right now, Maldivian employees have a 2-year contract with you. What should they expect at the end of the 2 years?
I expect they continue with me. I expect they are very good people. They will continue with me. We'll give an offer to all the people.
So they shouldn't be concerned about.
Yeah, they love us and we also love them and very good committed people.
What are the opportunities for Maldivian businesses here in the airport now that ground handling and duty-free shops have been given notice?
No, this is it's not. The term is over. Their agreement is over now. It's not that. It is whenever we want to call bidding, they have to participate. Whenever the term is there, when the term is there, they cannot continue.
So the bidding is open for Maldivian companies?
Everybody is open. Anything is there open. It is not that we will do everything. Whenever this one is there, they have to participate in open bidding.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.